Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is July the 16th, 2022, and right now we're looking at our jackfruit trees. Okay, these ones are in the sunny location of the yard. Now, the original reason why I had been covering these is because something would come along and munch the tops off, which was weird in my opinion, but apparently these are probably quite tasty for like maybe a rabbit or something like that. So you see that's the old top that just kept getting munched off. It grew some side shoots and even a new baby down there, right there, and it's surviving pretty well right now. I'm contemplating taking this protective cover off because I want it to start building its strength from the wind element. So what you're seeing too is there's no effect from the root knot nematode in regard to this particular fruit tree. So this one can live with the root knot nematodes in the soil, the southern root knot nematode. I'm pretty sure my whole yard has the southern root knot nematode. So there are ways to combat that. We have those ways featured in other videos. But as far as the jackfruit tree is concerned, we don't have to combat that. But we do have to combat the munchy type of critters. So I'll probably go ahead and put this protective teepee looking thing that I created back onto it, at least for a little while longer. Let's go take a look at the understory location where we have some jackfruit planted. Alright, this is the understory spot. If you look up, gets dappled sunlight. So back down here, we have this one caged as well. There were 2 seeds that sprouted at this spot. Pull this cage up. And here they are. Now these were getting munched on too at one point. So we had to guard them as well. But not looking bad, but you'll notice too that these ones are very stunted compared to the ones out in the full sun location. So going forward, that's something to take note of. If you place these in the full sun, they'll do just fine, and they'll actually thrive because these guys like full sun. No fertilizers, no soil amendments, none of that. Just right into the sandy Florida soil. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as that helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of our jackfruit trees. Have a great day.